National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for Craig County in southwestern Virginia, Allegheny, Virginia County, Bath County, Botetourt County, Rockbridge County, the city of Buena Vista, the city of Covington, the city of Lexington, Greenbrier County in southeastern West Virginia, Monroe County in southeastern West Virginia, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. At 4:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Allegheny, Lexington, Buena Vista, Covington, Clifton Forge, Lewisburg, White Sulphur Springs. This includes the following locations: Vienna and the West Virginia State Fairgrounds. This includes the following streams and drainages: Allen Creek, Back Creek,